Okay, let's be real. Budgets suck. I know. They make you feel like they lock your money up and you can't spend any of it on anything fun ever. What if I told you you could enjoy life guilt-free while on a budget? You just have to change your mindset. So this is the thing. Over the past 15 years, no one that I've worked with has enjoyed having a conversation around budgets. And I get it. Budgets are like the fun police. But honestly, they just get a bad rep. They're actually a great secret weapon. Let me show you why they're not the bad guy and they can actually help you feel less stressed about money. Have you ever been in a situation where you're like, where did my money go? Like, for real, what happened? It's literally the worst feeling, right? And that's where a budget can help you. It doesn't tell you what to do with your money. It doesn't stop you from spending your money. It just shows you exactly where your money's been going. So let's say you keep running out of cash before payday and you think, I just don't make enough. Like, I just don't make enough. But then you realize, I've really been spending a little extra on takeout. Or you know that makeup subscription that I never use? It allows you to see that. And it's not about judgment. Like, no one's here to judge how, where, when you should spend your money, except for what the budget is telling you. And the budget's just going to tell you the truth. So you can decide what your next move is or how to move your money around. Think about it like this. A budget is like a map for your money. It shows you where everything needs to go to help you to reach your goals. But the thing is, it's just a map. The budget doesn't change how much money you got, and it doesn't magically fix any money problems you have. So if you're feeling stressed about money, it's probably not the budget's fault, but more likely that there's just not enough money to go around and cover everything. Think about it like this. Imagine you got this map and you're going on a road trip and you don't have enough gas in your tank to go the distance the map is telling you to go to get to your destination. You're not gonna be mad at the map. It's just showing you how to get there. Same thing with a budget. It's just there to show you how to prioritize things like rent, groceries, bills. And once those things are covered, then you can figure out how to save money for the things that you want. Budgets can actually help you find things that you've been spending money on that you've probably missed or would have missed. You got to think about money like water, right? I mean, it does come and go just like it. So you have these buckets: bills, fun, savings. If your fun bucket is overflowing and your bills bucket is running dry, this budget is going to allow you to see that. And it can also help you catch any sneaky leaks. If you only knew how long it took me to record that because I kept saying sneaky links anyway. So these are things like subscriptions you forgot about, or that weekly coffee that you thought was $7 that's actually $10, or maybe it's actually $21 because you always go with a friend and always buy theirs, or you get the latest sandwich or croissant, or just a purchase that you didn't necessarily budget for, right? This will help you catch that. And not that you have to stop it, but it allows you to see it. So if you want to stop it, and instead of spending so much money on your morning coffee run and maybe putting it towards debt or a vacation, you can. Or stopping that subscription that you're not watching, right? Or you're not using. And you can put it towards things that you actually want. And these little tweaks, they actually add up significantly. And if you want some easy ways to cut expenses and put more money into your savings or your fun budget, click here. It's full of simple tips that you can implement right away. And remember, every step towards financial freedom starts with one choice. Keep planning, moving forward, and stay empowered.